2010 GMC Acadia. We have codes for evaporation leak. This type of leaks usually are from vapors escaping the line coming from the gas tank into the engine, and there is a purge valve, and it pushes the fumes into the exhaust and stores the fumes while the car is standing, and then when the engine starts, it pushes it. If you open the engine, you can see a valve and hear that ticking noise. That's where it's pumping. When you replace that, maybe we'll fix the code, but it did not work out. So at this time, I'm going to do a smoke test, and we'll find out where it leaks. I've done it once before, and it usually leaks by the gas tank. On the top of the gas tank, it's another solenoid. So at this time, I'm going to do a smoke test, and we'll find out where it leaks. Starting by removing the plastic cover to expose the purge valve. Just take out the cap, it comes right off, and put it aside. Put back the oil cap, don't want nothing there. So this is the purge solenoid valve. So we're going to take this hose out, and we're going to use the smoke machine to push smoke into the line, and wherever it leaks, we want to be able to see it. I have made a homemade one for my purpose, but let's disconnect here and connect the smoke. Our homemade smoke machine is ready to go. We'll put the lid on it now and pump some air into it. Okay, you can see the smoke at this point. This is the solenoid. We're going to take down the gas tank, and it's on the left side of the car. It's a big one. Try to do it when empty of gas. This is the gas tank down here. It has straps. I believe there are 3 straps. Electrical wires for the fuel pump. The hose here for the gas filler. Tube to go to put gas into the tank. So we're going to take down the tank and replace that solenoid. We cannot get the inspection sticker right now. The car has a check engine light on. You have to raise. There's plenty of space. What we're looking for is enough space to drop the gas tank. In the Acadia, it's in the back of the passenger seat, the battery. So we'll disconnect from there. And it's out. I guess I expect a little fuel to come out. I'm prepared with the regs there. So that's it. One line out. Now I gotta disconnect the filler tube. I will press this line upward so it doesn't leak. Be careful of the brake very easily. Wire harness coming from the tank are disconnected under here too. And there are 3 15mm bolts with the straps. The movement. The problem here now is the solenoid. This is the canister, and it's leaking from here. It's probably a common thing, so I'm going to replace the solenoid. That's what we have to replace, and the harness right here, and it hooks up. So before I'm going to put it back in, I want to clean the tank very well. Disconnect the harness. Just open and press down. There you go. I replace the solenoid for the canister, and that's the canister. Okay, the Acadia gas tank is back on. All good. Job is done. Make sure you reset the light and drive the car. Driving the 2010 Acadia after the repair we had with the canister valve solenoid, and so far 150 miles. No check engine light on. The light on the right that you see is for the traction control. The car passed inspection, so the problem with the code, it was fixed.